In the rhythm of everyday life, a malfunctioning faucet can disrupt the flow of your routine. Drips echoing through the silence, wasted water slowly seeping away your resources. But fear not, for there exists a solution to this inconvenience. Introducing our faucet repair services, where expertise meets convenience. Our skilled technicians are adept at diagnosing and remedying any faucet ailment, restoring harmony to your household. With meticulous precision, we analyze the issue, identifying the root cause to ensure a lasting fix. From leaky seals to faulty cartridges, no challenge is too daunting for our team. Imagine the tranquility of a silent faucet, the satisfaction of knowing your water isn't being wasted. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond mere repairs. It's about restoring peace of mind. Experience the difference with AIM Plumbing, where your satisfaction is our priority. For swift and reliable faucet repair services, call us today at 239-348-7006 or visit AIM services of SWFL.com. AIM Plumbing, targeting all your plumbing needs.